Today I'm going to show you how to work on the dynamic icons in a lightning component. Like here you can see lightning dynamic icon, animation icon in lightning component. Okay, so if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So you will be get new contents every week. Any technology in Salesforce like integration, Aura, LWC, development, and admin as well. Okay, so I will uploading one by one video in upcoming session. So let's get started without any further delay. Okay, so here you can see like our topic is like how to work on the like a dynamic icons, like any animated icon in lightning component. Okay, so this is the questions, or we can say that implementation in this video. So how to do that, these things. So let me log in my org, and now just click this and let me log in this, and after that you can see I just logged in my org. And first of all we need to create open developer console. So once you open developer console, so you have to close all tabs for now because I don't need all the tabs. And now here you can see some process is going on. Okay, and after that you have to create one Aura component like as a lightning component. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds, and after that you can see these things. Okay, so yeah, wait for some time, maybe it's loading. Here you can see like loading view content. Okay, fine. So if you are here in this developer console, so you have to click this like as a file. Okay, under the file you have to click, you can see like as a new and lightning component, this one. This is the our topic like as a lightning component in file, and that is called new. And under the new you can see like as a lightning component, right? This is the way to create your new lightning component. So how to do that? So just click lightning component and give like as a animated CUMP. And okay, and if you want to show this like as a component in a lightning tab page, record page, like bundle site experience builder means like as a communities. Okay, and lightning quick action as a quick action for tab bar, we can say that. Okay, so for now in this demo I'm not going to show you like all the things, so I'm just using like as a component and one application. Okay, so just you have to click this submit. Once you submit, so you can see this is a lightning bundling. You can see like component, controller, helper, all the things. Okay, so you have to create your tab. So I already created, so just I'm going to copy this and paste it here and format it. Okay, so here you can see this is our like as a lightning component, and under the light aura component you can see like lightning dynamic icon. This is the tag, and here you can see attribute like as a type le alternative have like le image, something like that. This is eq strength mfl. This is dynamic icon, like app launcher, we can say that. Okay, so for now you can see like I need some div because I need some margin or padding around the this all things. So I wrap this all things in a single div, and now you have to write some SLDS classes like as a SLDS hyphen p, something like that. Okay, so how to do that? So you have to search in Google like as a Google, and now you have to search like as a SLDS in Salesforce or Lightning Design System for now. So here you can see first link lightning design system. So just click this. Okay, once you click this, so you have to search like as a padding, like as a padding. I need some padding, so that's why here you can see like as a padding. Just click this, and once you click this padding, so you can see lots of things available here like as a around, left, right, top, bottom, something like that. Padding. Okay, padding things. So I need around things. So let me check one by one, is any around is there. So here you can see like as a around. So let me check around. Yeah, so I need this one. Okay, so just copy this class name like as a here, from here to here, and paste it here like this one. Save it, and now it's time to check our we can say that lightning component under the application. So how to check this? So new, again we have to create lightning application like as a animated comp. Just post this like as a app and save it. Once you click this, so you have to see you can see this application like as a Aura application. Under this Aura application you have to inject that component like as a animated comp. So how to do that? Just c colon c is the namespace. Okay, so if you want to learn my Aura videos, so you can learn in my playlist. So this all the things like as a bundling and all the things. Okay, you will be get this better knowledge about this Aura. Okay, like animated comp, and then close. You can close this, save it, and once you execute this, here you can see like as a one preview. Okay, so if you want to see this component output, so how to do that? Just click this preview, and here you can see like as a output, but it's not our expected output. You can see they are unexpected icons and all the things. So how to manage these things? So suppose you have to extend the SLDS, extend equal to force colon SLDS like that. Save it, and now you can see like that. Here you can see animated icon. Like I'm going to zoom little bit. So let me hide this first, and here you can see. Just let me refresh again, and now you can see the output here. Let me hide this. Yeah, you can see all the icon here. You can see app launcher, animated, all the animated icon like this one. Okay, like that. Here you can see. So that's it in video. So if you have any question and query regarding this video and any video in my channel, so you can post your comment under the comment section, and please subscribe my YouTube channel again, Salesforce Hunt, and you will be get new latest things like this in upcoming videos. So thank you guys, see ya, bye bye.